Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have been following my Instagram, you are probably familiar with my fluffy pink Callisia Repens. To grow a nice and full Callisia Repens, you only need to fix two things: water and light. I prefer bottom watering as I grow mine indoor and do not want to wet the leaves. You can top water and wet the leaves only when the ventilation is really good so the water on the leaves can evaporate quickly. If you grow yours indoor and top water your Callisia Repens, the water will likely sit on the leaves for a long time and the leaves will eventually turn mushy. To bottom water your plant, you can use saucers, plates or bowls. Then fill it with water. Let the plant sit in the water for around an hour so the soil can absorb enough water. My plant is too full, so I decided to use a plastic squeeze bottle to water my plant. The right watering schedule is also a game changer. I set a reminder in my phone and water once a week. Never leave the soil bone dry. Now let's talk about light. They need lots of light to stay happy and pink. I'm in Southern Hemisphere, so I put my plant on the north-facing windowsill so it gets direct sunlight most of the day. However, I would not suggest to put a plant under the strong sunlight all day or a west-facing window unless you can prevent the soil from drying out. At the end, pinch off the dry leaves to give your Callisia Repens a prettier and healthier look. This is how I look after my Callisia Repens, and I hope it's helpful for you. Welcome to leave your comments below. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.